Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by closing Autocad and creating a quick backup of your profile folder so you can restore custom files if needed. Then confirm the exact Autocad version because reset steps differ slightly by release. Once done, right-click the Autocad shortcut and choose Run as administrator so the reset can modify system-level settings. This avoids permission errors and ensures the program writes fresh defaults to your user profile. Making that backup first preserves blocks, templates, and custom menus. Next, use the Start menu's Reset Settings to default option for your Autocad version, because it automates the clean restore process. If that option is unavailable, manually rename or move the user profile folder in App Data and remove version-related registry keys under hkcu/software/Autodesk after exporting them. You do this so Autocad recreates fresh defaults. Make sure to close Autocad during edits and then restart the application. The program will rebuild configuration files, QX menus, and templates automatically. Finally, verify that your tool palettes, Autocad, QX, and workspaces are restored to default and test a few common commands to confirm stability. If something still misbehaves, run recover on suspect drawings and check folder permissions so Autocad can write new files. Corrupt drawings or locked profiles often block resets. If you need custom content, selectively copy saved files from your backup into the new profile rather than overwriting everything. This preserves needed items while keeping fresh defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.